Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I want to mention that the offer that expired, I'm going to extend it. Some of you missed it, so you get another chance. I'm going to show you here. The page of the offer is right here, so it's going to expire on the 5th of June. At the end of the current clip, you will see me reviewing the offer, what it's about, etc. But the date is going to look different. I just changed it here, so on the website you will find it's the 5th of June. Other than that, I want to thank you again for your support for my channel. I see that the number of my subscribers continues to increase. Thank you. You're welcome to put comments that are a result of your research, result of your thinking, your thoughts. We can have lively debate. I am welcoming people who have contrary opinions, not just people who support my opinion, so that we can have an open debate. That's fine. I hope you enjoyed the clip. Hope to see you on my website. Bye now. Okay, this is gold, spot gold on the 4-hour scale, and we're still working with the assumption that we're dealing here with a huge A, B, C. Nothing changed. If you remember, we're still assuming that we're in a giant triangle that is not due to be over very soon. We came down in a 5-wave run. Right now I'm taking the stretch here as a 5-wave run with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I was anticipating a triangle here. Do you remember that? I told you we are probably working on the B, and then we will see a pull higher to give us the C. Well, so far it's working very well. Let's have a look at the 60 minutes. It's just going straight on my arrows, which is the best scenario you can imagine. You see this arrow? Of course, it was not there. I mean, the arrow was there before the price action, and you can see that the price action just zoomed higher above the line here, and basically followed on my arrow. Sorry. So that is the best situation at this point. No change in the wave count. We are going to treat this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an 8. That's a B. A C is unfolding. Everything is going to have to be reconsidered if gold manages to stage a recovery above this level. Okay, so be very careful. Once we see a run above this level, the structure of the ABC disappears. We're going to have to start talking about something else. We have to investigate. In essence, a run above this level will be very bullish. Okay, the way I take it, it'll be very bullish. And right now we suggest let's take things one step at a time. Here's the 5 minutes, and I assume that my B ended here. This is a consolidation. It's probably just the first stretch out of this triangle, and that's not the entire C. No way. It's too short on the time scale and too short on the price scale. So I would assume that this consolidation, and we will see higher prices in gold in the coming week. Now, if I'm wrong, what's going to happen is going to break through this level. That's where we're going to have to step back and review the wave count. That is 1253. Okay, I think this is an important level, short term, 1253. Now here's silver. That is the daily scale of silver. Also in the case of silver, we are assuming that we are in a big triangle. Yes, a winding price action here. And if you remember, this is a very critical level for silver right here. And after this big drop A, we are now looking at the B unfolding, that it's in itself is composed of an ABC. At the end of this B, and now we have seen already the A, we have seen the B. I think we are now actually surging up in that C, tiny C inside the B. When that B is over, and provided the price action doesn't carry above this line, then I would expect a reversal of fortunes. Silver is going to plunge. Silver is going to plunge back towards 16 to deliver this C. Okay, so this is the general scheme of things, and I'm going to check the 60 minutes now. And here's what I see. This is a stretched A. That's an A on the 60-minute scale. That's an A. That's a B. That's a C. That's a D. And that's an E. If I'm right, that's my B. You are with me? You have a triangle right here. – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – – –– if we go, let's say, to a 4-hour scale, let's see if it gives us good perspective. Yeah, equality between the C and the A would take us towards 18.06. Do you see? 18.06. And if it stops right there, we're doing very well with this analysis, and then we would expect a serious break. If it runs towards 18.06 and it shows us something like that, it begins to consolidate, that's no good. That's no good. In my opinion, that suggests this is the next target. Okay, so be careful how you interpret that short term right now. Here's a channel that suggests it could shoot to the other side of the channel. Do you see this channel rising here? In fact, we have two channels. The first one that you can see here, and now I think it is likely to penetrate this channel on this side and continue running in this channel. That is going to encompass the price action of the C. Okay, so that is silver, spot silver. Hello, I'm back here with details about the special offer. So in order to access and see what it's about, you have to go on my website, and it's pretty simple. You have to go to wavemastery.com. okay, www.wavemastery.com. that's the front page. There's not a lot of stuff on the front page. A few clips here that I have describing a range of markets and my analytical approach. There are a few articles that I wrote here. You might want to take a look. Is this website for me? Psychology of trading, trading and the arts, why join? And then you have the subscribe here tab where you can find the special offer, and you have to actually use the special promotional offer, not the normal subscribe here tab, because that's the normal price. That is the half price, yes, at 50% off. And other than that, you have here at resources, you have access to a lot of charts in the chart galleries, and you might want to have a look if you're a person that is interested in charts. Take a look. I cover a lot of markets, past instances, charts in just about any market you can imagine, forex, old markets that nowadays do not trade, even eggs, yes, all sorts of markets, pork bellies, cattle, you name it, of course indices. So it's very interesting, and you see how the theory that we are using, the principle that we are using, is actually quite useful in lots and lots of different markets. Useful links is pretty straightforward. The recommended reading list, you will find here quite a few books that I've read along the years that I think are worth taking a look at. Private policy, pretty standard. I don't mess up with your information. Anything that you provide on my website is sacred. I don't pass it to anyone. I don't do with it anything apart from just using it for serving you. Yes, fulfilling my job as an analyst. You subscribe to the service, so I'm just providing you, and I'm not going one step beyond that. In terms of use, that is also standard. You may want to take a look at this, and that's again a link to the special promotional offer. Okay, it's basically the same thing. You will see it in a sec. I just want to run through the menu here. Contact us, pretty straightforward. If you have any question, any doubt, whatever, do not hesitate. Please do not hesitate. Here's the contact us. You put your name, make sure the email address that you provide is correct. You write here what you have in mind. You fill in here the first class maths. Just fill it in, submit, and it reaches me, no problem. I'm based in Belgium, so if you're in the US, if you're in Australia, if you are in other part of the world that is not the same time zone, I may not respond immediately. I might be actually having a nap, I might be out or whatever, but usually within one business day you will have a reply. So I'll answer whatever questions you have. Now I will look at the offer itself. So as I said, you can find it through resources you just run down here, or you go to subscribe here and you go to the special promotional offer. You click on that, and that's the page. It will be running. I'll open it right now. So it will be running till the 25th of May. Now, what's going on? I have two services. One is the daily service, where I record every day. I basically record every single day, plus on Saturdays. Sunday I have a break. Saturday I normally record a very long video that encapsulates and reviews all the price action of the past week and looks a bit at the longer term projections and setups, etc. The daily videos, the weekday videos, they are targeted at intensive traders. They often cover 60 minutes scale charts, and I would even drill down to 5-minute chart. Okay, I can also cover markets. I cover a lot of markets, but I can cover markets that are of interest to you. My service is still, if you like, at a size that I can relate to you individually. So if you have a question about a particular position, or you have an idea in mind that you would like to try out, you can ask me, and if there is enough time, I will cover it in the video next day, or if not, in the next few days, I'll cover it and I will tell you what I think. I do not provide personal advice, but there is nothing in the world that stops me from covering a market from a technical, purely technical point of view, and telling you what I would do in such and such a situation. And then it's totally up to you. You take the information, you do with it what you want. You see? Okay, so the daily service is starting with 1 week trial priced at 9.99 euros. If you're interested, you don't do anything, and your PayPal account will be charged 79 per month plus VAT. Now, the VAT is really a story that applies mainly to Europe. If you are from the US, from Australia, you are from the UK, funny enough, you are from Belgium, you don't pay VAT, so the price remains 79. Now, if you come from Germany, you'll see here a whole list of countries. You see France, you come from Greece, all the countries that are basically in the European Union. There we have to apply the VAT. So the VAT is calculated for each country that you see here. And if you indeed come from the EU, you have to choose the right, the right tab here before you proceed. If you do not see your country, and it's possible that I left out 1 or 2 countries, if you do not see your country, just let me know and I'll add it, because it's probable that I didn't have it because I don't have a lot of traffic from that particular country. But just let me know if there is any issue. If you are from the US, USA, UK, or other non-EU country like Australia, China, whatever, you don't pay VAT, so you just go with this one. Okay, so let's suppose you come from Germany, so you just keep this as the first choice, and then you click subscribe. You go through with that. That gives you the first 7 days, costs you $9.99, and afterwards it's going to be $94 per month. The daily service includes the weekend service, so you don't have to subscribe to both. You subscribe to the daily service, you automatically get the weekend service, and that will be good for 12 months. That means that the first week will pass. You like the service, you don't do anything, and then your credit card is charged €94. And for the next 12 months, you'll be charged only 94 instead of the full price, which is double 94. Okay, so that's how it works. My full name is Aaron Fatal, so don't be surprised. On my channel, you see that I'm called Ronnie. That's the name I prefer. I prefer you call me Ronnie. But the full name here, just that you know, it's going to me. It's not going to someone else. Okay, so once you go through that, you pay. It takes you back to my website. It takes you back to my website to fill in the subscriber form, registration form, choose your password, and once you go through that, it actually puts you straight on the page with the links to the videos, the fresh videos, okay, the updated videos. If you have any problem whatsoever, throughout this process. Normally you shouldn't have any issue, but if there is any issue, please do not worry at all. Just contact me and I'll be able to look where the process stumbled, what was the problem, etc., and I'll help you out. This is the daily servers. The weekend servers basically gives you here on the trial just 2 weeks. Okay, gives you 2 weeks. You cover basically 2 videos, 2 long videos plus the archive. That is just for $4.99. If you like the servers, then you do nothing, and then you are charged $29 per month plus VAT, and it's again the same story of the VAT. Okay, and again, if you are from the UK, USA, Belgium, or other countries, you don't pay. It remains $29, and the $29 again will be good for 12 installments. That means 12 months. Okay, and at the end of that, if you're still around, we can talk and see what would be appropriate to do. This is basically the whole thing. I suggest you read it. You see that you are comfortable, you understand the conditions. Okay, and again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. I'll be happy to help. I'll be happy to add new markets or follow new markets or new stocks or things like that that you like to have an opinion about. The one thing that I have to insist is that you're not allowed to take the trial if you already took it once in the past. It's just not fair. The trial is really a privilege. Yes, it's an opportunity for you to try my service, and I really would encourage all of you to take the trial. It's also in a way for you, it's not a lot of money, it's a way for you to see really what I'm doing in terms of also correlation between markets, etc. And it's a small way for you to support my work, to support my website, if you just limit your participation to the trial. Okay, and later on at some stage in the future, if you wish to join, then you can mention to me that you want the trial at the reduced rate, and you will then qualify for their reduced rate whenever you want to join in the future. So I think I just about covered everything. I hope to see you reacting. This offer will be good till the 25th. I don't know when I'm going to come back with an offer like that during the rest of the year. So grab your opportunity, and I wish you good luck. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.